It's already soaked into it, but
no, that's good. Let me see this shit. Alright, this is the spider here. And some beer.
Are you about to take a picture?
No, it's recording.
Oh, great. Alright, listen, you think that I'm fucking not gonna be able to eat some shit?
Wait, that's fucking nasty, bro. That's a big ass spider.
Now you're gonna fuck with me. You think that? Hey, look at me. You think I'm gonna fuck with you? Nah, fucking take it. Watch
Wait, you gotta put it on your tongue, though. You gotta chew it, bro. Chew that shit. You didn't even chew on it. You fucking pussy.
Hold on a second. No, because you got me thinking about it.
You gotta chew, bro. That was nasty. You fucking threw it up.
It tastes like shit. I can taste the fucking. It tastes like goddamn pesticides.
Chew it. Chew it. Chew it. This is intense. Is it down? It's not down yet. Oh. Ah.
It's got something in it, dude.
It wouldn't let you swallow it?
No, you ever tried to eat those fish before, man? The people fucking. There's certain fish that have shit in it where you can't fucking swallow them. It just released something in my mouth.
Where's it at, man? Oh, it's right there.